Porsche Cayenne 12.3-inch screen installation tutorial. First, pry out the vent. Use a flashlight to locate the buckle. Use a special iron needle to pry it out. Remove the 4 screws on the side of the screen. Remove the screen hose. Unplug the wire. Plug in the fiber optic box and other cables. Plug in the hose. Fix the main unit with screws. Install the iron sheet. Plug in the bracket. Fastened with screws. Plug in the screen and fix it. Secure the screen with screws. There are 2 screws under the air outlet that need to be fixed. This is what it looks like after it's installed.